So, in this video, we're going to be doing an exercise, and the right hand is going to have classic pentascales in a variety of white key hand positions, moving up one step at a time. The left hand is going to have triads, every other tone, broken, and moving up one white key at a time to these various pentascale hand positions, etc. Now, how this is going to work, the C's are going to come together, the E's come together, the G's come together, and then you'll move to the new hand position, D. And then move to the E position, F, G, A, B, C. Now, that is the 8th repetition. We went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to repeat this one, except we're going to move the direction down. The G's come together, E's, and then C's. And then move to the new hand position. So notice there is this sort of unusual rhythm, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. So it has an unusual and distinct rhythm to it. So I'm going to do the whole exercise without explanation, about moderate tempo. The main thing right now is that you understand this intellectually, that you can take these concepts and go and practice it on your own. So here's the exercise, moderate to moderate fast. That's a great exercise for beginners. Have fun with that.